Welcome back. I'm Matthew, and today I've got a couple new treats for a shave, so let's get this started. I'm going to wet the face, and today I'm going to be using some of my honey and oatmeal soap for a pre-shave. This is just the old school soap. I know I've kind of been touching base a little bit on that for pre-shave. Grandma soap. Got a couple days worth of growth here. I'm going to start out with talking about the Shark Bite soap by 345. This is supposed to be, I think, a tropical soap. I definitely get a fruity sensation. I've already got some of that in my shave bowl here. Going to be using the Semogue boar brush in my 3D printed bowl. If I can find a video of me printing that, I will add it right here. You can smell the fruit coming alive. Now this soap is a tallow-based soap. It comes in the 5.8 ounces as well. And one thing when you're looking at the ingredients, I'll post a picture here of the ingredients. They list in there that it's got some milk products, donkey, camel, and goat. I knew I couldn't remember those, so I just add a little note there. Interesting. This will be my first time trying this soap. I'm kind of excited with that. All right, good enough on the lather. Beautiful. And today I've got a new razor. It's the Mühle Companion. This is supposed to be a face or body razor. A nice little cotton hanging in your shower over here type thing. But it's a 3-piece razor. And the pattern on here for the grip, it's kind of interesting. Reminds me of a fingerprint. And the cap comes off. Now, I think I'll give it a shot. I've never used it before. I'm going to use the Mühle blade that comes with the razor. If not, I've got old Gillette Silver Blue on standby. And this top cap, you can see it's got these little tabs to kind of, it's going to protect, you from being able to have the tabs come out and get you. The base plate is kind of unique. It's different from some of their other razors, and just a regular handle. This is a little bit longer of a handle. I'm assuming since it's for either or, legs, face, and everything else, you might want a little extra rinse there, or grip, reach, whatever. I try not to edit my videos, so might get a blooper here or there. That's all right. Okay, might add a little bit more water to the face. Do have a nice little blemish there. You guys notice anything different about the video so far? I added some different lights. I took the idea from the ghost bathroom. If you look at some of the previous videos, it's just got a string of lights above the vanity, And in this room, there was just basically one light, and it was straight above. And it was, when I was watching some of my videos, I was noticing I was getting a little bit of shadow casting or whatever, and you know, it kind of took away from the video. No one really noticed. I do try to spice that up a little bit whenever I'm doing the editing, so maybe this time I won't have to mess with the lighting of it. All right, we're ready to go with the lather. Get the razor here. A little nervous about this because unknown blade and unknown razor. It's not bad. It's not real sharp. It's taking it down pretty well. I'm not sure about that blade. You know, on my cheek area, I could pretty much shave with broken glass and it not be an issue. The neck area will tell a different story. I can tell with a little bit of this extra edge there, you know, it's not going to get as close around the ear and my goatee area. I kind of wondered about these blades in the past. You know, you see them, I mean, it's a German blade. Most of the German blades are very nice when it comes to, you know, knives and things like that. But razor blades, I don't know about them. And when you see them on Amazon listed in the packs, they're kind of pricey. You can tell this is a mild razor. If it wasn't, this would be bleeding. Let's see what we got here. It's pretty slick for the soap. A little bit of residual, not a whole lot. Have you guys tried the 3, 4, 5 soaps? Let me know below if you have. What was your experience? Good, bad, ugly, the best? Throw everything else away, keep this. One thing on their site that I feel is pretty interesting is they have an option. Well, there's actually a couple options, but you can buy like a package deal where every month they will send you, you know, the soap of the month with a splash, and then there was some other combinations, you know, where you get more items. I can't remember what they are, but I thought that was pretty interesting. It made me want to get a subscription just to try it out, get different soaps every month. And then that way you don't have to think about what's the new soap coming out, you know. I'm gonna go across the grain. The razor head cleans out nicely. You ever notice in this hobby, you're always looking for the perfect razor. And even if you get one and you're happy with it and you're like, this is the one, Next thing you know, you see something else, you're like, I need to try that. Why is that? I have no idea. Off camera here, I have a bowl with some cold water in it. Do a cold water rinse. One more go. Break out the old ice cube. How was your weekend? Did you guys do anything for Memorial Day weekend? Any barbecuing or family dinners? Late nights? Or do you just sit back at your house and enjoy a little bit of relaxing time? Grab the old Lancaster towel. Got a little carried away with that ice. Be all right. And I do have the matching splash. Nice little logo there. Might give it a little shake because I'm not sure. Never used this before, so. Nice little restrictor in there. I can smell a little bit more coconut in the aftershave splash. Feels like no alcohol or menthol in it. Yeah, it says pineapple, pear, coconut, and wood. I don't smell any wood. I can definitely smell the coconut and the pear. Maybe just a hint of the pineapple. All right, I'm gonna follow that up with some star jelly. Almost feels like with this, it's got some moisturizing characteristics in it already. Pretty nice. That razor did a nice job with 2 passes. I never chase that baby butt smooth for reasons like this and this. Sometimes I'll get ingrown hairs or just a little bit of irritation. It's nice. All right, my crazy wet shirt. Let me step up here. Well, guys, I think that's going to conclude today's video. I'll have a little picture right here of everything I used today. Stay tuned for next week. I got a few more things coming. Exciting shaves. You guys have a good one.